Hey everybody, how's it going and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick little guess what's in the box video. It is a box. It does say energy suspension on it. I did purchase this from Jegs. So I'm just going to do a quick little video on it and then we'll unbox it in the next video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So pick this up from Jegs. I actually had to do a lot of research. I was looking for something for the 2000 Limited. It's got some components from a 2003 4Runner on it. And finding certain things for the suspension was kind of dang near impossible. So this should be kind of an equivalent based off of measurements. This box is, excuse me, it is 7 1/4 inches wide by 7 3/8 long by 5 1/2 inches deep. You guys let me know what you think is in it. It does say on it energy suspension, performance polyurethane components, made in America. San Clemente, California. Does have a packing slip here. Little sticker randomly put on the box with my address on it. Actually, stick that to the box like it's supposed to be. And this item was drop shipped to me from Energy Suspension. It actually was ordered from Jegs. What do you think it is? Is it bushings for suspension components? Is it bushings for steering rack, or is it bushings for, you know, control arms, upper or lower? Is it bushings for the panhard bar? Is it for, you know, the strut tower? Is it for, you know, the struts themselves? Is it for, you know, the back shocks? You know, let me know what you guys think is in here. I do appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And upcoming from about 3 or 4 days ago to the future from now. Today is March 26th. I found out in about 6 days ago or so that Acme Tools is now going to be sending me tools to do videos on for you guys. So you guys leave comments. Let me know if you guys watch this video all the way to the end. If you guys have a tool that you would like to see and Acme Tools sells it, you know, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what the tool is. Give me the model number of the tool. I'll go send it to my Acme Tool rep. See if we can get that tool out here to do videos on. And you guys give me ideas of what kind of tools you want to see and what videos you'd like to see. And want to say thank you to all of you subscribers for always supporting the channel. I've been an Acme Tools affiliate for about a little over 10 years, maybe longer than that. Maybe it's been 11 or 12 years. I haven't really kept track, but it's been a while. I've been an affiliate for them for a long time. And it's really nice to see that the hard work and me putting in the effort on the videos, and you know, they finally said, hey, we would like to bump you up to a more of an ambassador instead of affiliate, and we would like to send you tools to do videos on. Helps them out, helps me out, helps the channel out, gives you guys more entertainment, more information. So you know, if you guys like what's coming up on the channel, I should be getting a 40 volt Makita kit coming in. the Acme Tools is sending for me to do videos on. We're going to compare that to the 18-volt variant of that same hammer drill impact driver kit. So if you like this type of content, you like the updates that are coming to the channel, please smush the bell notification icon for those updates. Smash the like button, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have been awesome. Awesome rest of your day. Stay safe and enjoy your weekend. Dang, it's already almost in April. Peace!